Hello, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 3. Yesterday was incredible. We managed to finish day 1 and day 2. Like, I have no words. But today's day 3 and we've noticed that everybody is probably really tired because nobody is here apart from Natalie, who's... You're not gonna show Natalie? Okay. You will show Natalie. Apart from Natalie and Kenza, who've been here very early, and we have our 2 makeup artists already putting the makeup on our models. So I think today is a little bit more of a tranquilo start, but we managed to push through it and to finish with a blast, and then it will be amazing to see what we create, so stay tuned.
So yesterday we had a successful day. We had over 717 pictures taken, which was a hoo-hoo on our end. Today, although we planned to start at 8 a.m. Actually didn't happen. You know, life always throws, like, universe throws a lot of different tests. And we actually didn't end up starting until like 10ish. But nothing that we couldn't handle. The team is very strong. So we're here, we're pushing through 500 pictures today. So hopefully we will finish soon so we can have dinner with Master Chef Arshana.
Are you guys ready?
Ready! Guys, so exciting. So I'm gonna show you what's going on downstairs. Follow me, follow me. Okay, so.
Feminine energy is so powerful, feminine energy is so beautiful, and we as women should cherish it. We as women should embrace it at all time, and we as women should, you know, be very, very grateful about that. Like, I am so proud to be a woman and to be a part of this project.
Greek goddess. With, oh my lord, I'm gonna looking hot.
What you gonna take it?
There you go. The beauty on the paper. You will see in a second what it looks like after transformation. Ha! And boom! There you go. Can you see the beauty? That's the goddess with fashionable sunglasses.
I think still till today, a lot of people don't really realize what NFTs are. We've seen things like this happen time and time again. It happened with social media. When social media first started, it happened also with internet shopping, e-commerce. When that started, a lot of people were very skeptical about it and saying that, no, that's not for me. And it's the same thing with NFTs. But I always tell people, I say, don't be a Flintstone. We gotta be ahead of the game. Before the next time, it's your grandma who's telling you and saying, hey, my dear, why have you not got an NFT yet, you know?
And then your grip on the handbag, if you do an overhand grip, please. Nice, okay. And you hold this pose, and then your regular look towards the orange light. Beautiful. And then Lynn, whenever you're ready, please. Sorry. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think I got a good shot there.
It is, what time is it?
1:35.
1:35. We are in 33%. I'm expecting to be in 50% by lunchtime, so I'm pushing everybody as much as I can. I push, I push, I push. I gel, I become a crazy lady, but you know what? It's getting results.
It's going amazing. I wanted to share a little bit before the chaos starts again about self-love. I think whenever we are surrounded by things that tell us what we think we should look like, it's important for us to love just as we are, because we are perfect. And I just wanted to share that message with all of the beautiful girls that are out there that maybe are looking at this collection. You are perfect just as you are. Learn to love yourself from within, and then everything that surrounds you will reflect that of what you are.
So I'm really proud of the team. I'm really proud. I'm so happy that the volunteers came. And all the models, they did incredible, especially because we're doing a two-floor operation. So the models had to run up and down every time, meaning some of the models who did about 100 different photos had to go up and down 100 times and do all the changing, do all the makeup. So big respect to those models, big respect to everyone that showed up to help us make this happen. Really, we have no idea what this is going to evolve into, but the vision that we have is really big. So I'm really happy to be a part of it, and I'm so proud of what we've achieved together. I'm really looking forward to seeing the kind of final product.
So day 3 is a success.
So guys, we are almost about to finish. Like, we are very close to the finish line, and you know when you get to see the destination, you're like more excited because you know you're about to reach there. You want to see what's happening behind the scene. We finished!
Well, it's the first of its kind. It's photography, it's creativity, it's fashion, it's beauty, it's sexy, it's fun. I believe we've put everything that is in art, the art world, into this project, all the efforts in there as well. And it's just a matter of time where people will see, in comparison to what's out on the marketplace right now, the real value, where the real value lies, you know? And so I'm super pumped about the project. I'm very confident about it, and we're excited to get the show on the road.